Hello, today we will guide you through how to avoid Infinity Mirror in Google Meet. If you've ever shared your screen in a video call and suddenly seen the same meeting window repeating over and over, that's the Infinity Mirror effect. It usually happens when you share an entire screen or a window that is also displaying the meeting itself. The good news is that it's very easy to avoid once you know the right sharing option to use. To begin, open your browser and go to Google Meet. From the search results, select the official Google Meet page and sign into your account if needed. Once you're signed in, you'll arrive at the Google Meet home screen. From there, click New Meeting. Google Meet will give you a few options for how to start or join a session. You can choose Instant Meeting or use whichever meeting option you need. For this tutorial, it doesn't really matter which one you select because the key setting we're focusing on is how you present your screen once you're inside the meeting. After entering the meeting, it helps to understand what causes the problem before fixing it. If you try to present your whole screen, and your Google Meet window is visible on that screen, Meet may end up showing itself again and again. That repeated visual loop is what creates the infinite screen effect. Now inside the meeting, click the option to share your screen, also called Present Now, in Google Meet. This is the step where the important choice happens. When the sharing options appear, make sure you use Chrome tab only. This is the safest way to present without creating the Infinity Mirror effect. Avoid choosing window or entire screen if your goal is to prevent that repeated screen loop. Sharing a Chrome tab keeps the presentation focused on just the content you want others to see, instead of everything happening on your monitor. This is especially useful if you're presenting a website, a document opened in the browser, a slide deck, or a video in a tab. It also makes your presentation cleaner for viewers because they won't see your desktop or other open applications. So, the simple rule to remember is this: if you want to avoid Infinity Mirror in Google Meet, present a Chrome tab instead of your whole screen or a window. And that's it. Once you choose the Chrome tab sharing option, you can present more smoothly and avoid that distracting repeated screen effect during your meeting.